Hi everyone, we are students from GM University and we have chose the company Samsung for the cloud model analysis. My team members are Darshan, Kushala, Sachin and me, myself Samarth and Srishti. So this is a short summary what exactly Samsung uses, what exactly cloud uses, what exactly Samsung uses for cloud services. So Samsung leverages cloud infrastructure through its Samsung Cloud platforms. It has its own cloud platform. So Samsung has its own cloud platform SCP and partners extensively with the hyperscalers such as AWS, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure. So SAP provides enterprise-grade cloud hostings, data management, and AI capabilities for Samsung's internals and consumer applications. Samsung uses basically AWS and Azure for scalable backend systems as AI workloads and AI IoT service need a huge database. Samsung SDS, which is the IT service ARM section, offers Cloud One, which is nothing but a multi-cloud management or orchestration platform. So basically, Samsung follows hybrid model, or we can also say multi-cloud model, combining private infrastructures and major public cloud providers. Now let us understand in depth what exactly Samsung is using in for private, public, and hybrid. Also, let us see the risks happening in the cloud systems.
Now I'm going to explain the slide. Public cloud helps the Samsung manage its global services efficiently. First one, I'm going to explain cost efficiency. Samsung uses pay as you go model to reduce upfront cost for service like SmartThings and Galaxy Cloud. This means they only pay for what they use instead of investing heavily in physical servers. Next one, scalability. The public cloud allows elastic scaling, meaning Samsung can easily increase or decrease computing power to handle large AI or IoT workloads as needed. Next one, performance. With global data centers, Samsung ensures low latency and fast access for users all around the world. Security. Public cloud provides offer strong compliance standards and protection against attacks, ensuring Samsung data remains secure. Next one, drawback. There is a risk of vendor lock-in, dependence on cloud provider, and operational cost drift expenses increases over time. It shows cloud services characteristics from flex to flexible. Top layers benefits is strong security, global access, and flexibility. Bottom layer orange or red color drawbacks such as higher long-term cost and vendor dependency.
Hello everyone, I am Srishti Mandre. In this slide, we will see how the private cloud supports Samsung. The private cloud is mainly used for long-term and predictable workloads like internal ERP systems. It gives Samsung better control and high security over sensitive data and as R&D and device manufacturing information. It ensures high performance and low latency since the hardware is dedicated. However, the scalability is limited to on-premise resources and the setup and maintenance cost is also high. Overall, it's ideal for Samsung's core and confidential operations where stability and data protection are top priorities. Next is hybrid cloud. The hybrid cloud provides it combines both private and public cloud benefits. For Samsung, this model offers cost efficiency as private handles steady workloads while the public cloud supports variable demand. It provides good scalability and low latency, which is helpful for manufacturing and global services. The private cloud keeps critical data secure and public cloud manages customer services. The only drawback is integration and governance complexity. Overall, the hybrid cloud gives Samsung the flexibility, scalability, and security it needs for both internal and customer facing operations.
Hello everyone, I am Sachin Jadhav. Now let's look at the risk summary for each cloud model, starting with the public cloud. The main challenges are vendor lock-in, cost drift, and regulatory concerns. Once an organization commits to a specific provider, the switching becomes difficult, and managing costs and compliances can be tricky. And for the private cloud, it offers more control but comes with high upfront cost and limited scalability. It is ideal for sensitive data but not always cost efficient and for fast growing workloads. Finally, the hybrid cloud. While it is very flexible, it introduces complexity in orchestration, cost management, and maintaining uniform security across platforms. Here, the diagram shows how control and cost vary across models. Public clouds offer less control but are cheaper. Private clouds give full control but are at higher cost, and hybrid strikes a balance between the two. And now coming to the slide 4. Based on these factors, our recommendation for Samsung is to adopt a hybrid or a multi-cloud model. Samsung already uses both HCP for private workloads and AWS or Azure for public cloud services. A hybrid setup will allow Samsung to balance sensitivity R&D activities within its private cloud, while leveraging public clouds for scalability and global services. This approach aligns with Samsung's business model, supporting worldwide operations while keeping intellectual property secure. In short, it combines control and innovation, using private infrastructure for security and public cloud for agility. For next steps, we recommend strengthening cost governance through FinOps, standardizing security and identity policies, and investing in tools for seamless workload movement between the clouds. And the next slide will be explained by Darshan.
Hi everyone, my name is Darshan. Virtualization method evolution. Full virtualization provides the storage isolation but has the overhead mainly for the legacy systems. Para virtualization offer the moderate isolation with the better preference. OS level virtualization give the near native speed and the easy scalability. Samsung users VMware for the latency, KVM LAN for the optimization service, Kubernetes Docker for the modern workloads. Conclusion: contain contain are the best for the Samsung hybrid and the multi-cold storage. Conclusion: container OS level are the best suitable for the Samsung hybrid multi-cloud strategy. Thank you.
Thank you.